Okay, so today I'm gonna show you what I thought in my mind about the all the Hot Wheels that I have and the fighter fish or betta fish that I want to mm, pet. So here is my blueprint, and what I did, I just roughly draw the schematic of the aquarium that I wanted. So it's 12 liters. It's approximately right for a betta fish. As far as if I'm gonna commit to my water changes, the fighter fish will be fine. And what I did, I measured my cast and the very high uh, Hot Wheels that I have was approximately 1.4 inches high. So I give 1.5 in each. Uh, Section I give 1.5 height, and the depth is 4.5, and the width of the Hot Wheels is 3.5. I can place them diagonally. I can horizontally or diagonally place them, and I just calculated that, yeah, one and a half, 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 and one and a half equals 9 inches. But then I realized that each shelf is 5 mm. So, and this portion is the base of the aquarium, and the behind there is a space of 1.5 inch, and beneath that is the base of the whole structure. So this is also gonna house a Hot Wheel, and these shelves are also gonna house the Hot Wheels on both sides. And this is 8 mm. So the back panel of this has to be bigger to accommodate all the thickness of the glass. It's approximately 38 mm. So I increased the 9 inches to 12 inches. So the total aquarium total structure length and height is 24 by 12, and the depth is 4.5 inches. And I'm gonna get uh, 10 inches of space here, and whatever left is down here to house the Hot Wheels unit. And at the top, I'm also thinking that I house a platform in which I can place the Hot Wheels, but we'll go as we need to. And one more thing I want to add, I will add three glass panels here to hold the weight of the aquarium and all the glass above, because I know it will be heavy. It's approximately 12 liters of water, and I don't know the liter volume to kg conversion, but it will be heavy, approximately 9 to 10 kgs. And yeah, I've previously built these kind of aquariums just for fun, but at this time I want to get serious and just want to get my creative side going. So that's why I've built this lower area to house all the Hot Wheels in straight line, and these shelves to go with it, and at the center will house the betta fish. And I have a 9-inch panel for the base. I only need 4.5, but I have a 9-inch panel for the base. I don't want to cut it, so we'll see as we go what happens. And yeah, uh, I'm thinking about an LED strip down here and I'll drill the glass at the side panel here to get the wire out neatly, and I'll drill the braces at the center top to accommodate. So we'll see as we go. Okay guys, so first of all what I did, I cut all the pieces that I require for my aquarium, and all the shelf that I require for the Hot Wheels to stand on. These are 9 currently, but I need 10. I'll cut one more, uh, and you can see that there is a space on all sides. I can diagonally place the car or horizontally place the car. So I've cut all the pieces. This is the base is 8 mm and the back is also 8 mm, and the shelf that I'm gonna put here is 8 mm also, and the sides of the aquarium is 5 mm of glass. Okay, so what I did till now is I have siliconed the side panels, the middle panel, and the side panel too. I've siliconed it in place. Okay, so it's day 2 of the build, and I have put silicone in place on the all the platforms on which the Hot Wheels gonna stand. This is the second base, the base of the aquarium, not base of the not whole structure. This is the base of the whole structure. This is the base of the aquarium, and I've placed 3 support uh, braces underneath it because it's gonna hold the water approximately 13 kgs of. It's 12 liters, and I don't know the conversion rate of the liter volume to. It's approximately 10 kgs of load. Okay, so yeah, and as you can see, it's pretty much done, and I'll let it dry. And next is the right side of the Hot Wheels stand, and today I have only done the left side, and I have used everything that I've got to brace, make it as a base, and on that I'm gonna silicone each panel in place. Now what's next is I'm gonna place this panel here. It's not gonna fit now because the glass support glass is coming out. This is gonna go like this, and it's gonna connect to all these uh, all these platforms on which Hot Wheels gonna stand, and it's gonna give it a very good support, and it's gonna become the wall of the aquarium. Okay, so this is what's gonna happen next. I'm gonna first put the right side of the Hot Wheels stand, and then put both the side panel of the aquarium, and that's it. So it's the next day, and the left side of the rack is completely dried, and I have duplicated the process on the right side. And when this dries, I'm gonna build the side walls, the silicone the side walls of the aquarium and the front panel. I've also still got to drill this brace here in the center because I want to pass an LED strip in the center of the light up the cars that are beneath the aquarium, and I've got to drill all 3 braces at the center, and I'm gonna show you that process also. So please excuse the mess, and that's it. uh, okay guys, so it's time to drill the hole for the LED strip to pass. What I did here is I have collected all three support brace and I've taped it together. And the center of this is where I'm gonna drill here. So let's get started. Okay, so all the braces have been drilled and put in place, siliconed in place. All the mess you are seeing, excessive silicone, it will be wiped out once the silicone is cured. And I have drilled a hole for the wire to come out for the LED strip. Here also, as you have seen, this is the left side of the aquarium, this is the right side of the aquarium. In the center there will be a betta tank. And the next step is I'm gonna place the side panel of this side, and then I'm gonna, once the silicone of the right side panel cure, I'm gonna clean it. Let's see the comparison. This is not cleared and it has all the excess silicone on it, and this side is been cleared. This the white stuff you are seeing is just a residue. I'm gonna wipe it clean, and that's the difference. Okay guys, so the side panels are glued in, siliconed in, and I told you before that I'm gonna go with the 5 mm glass, but I put 8 mm glass in there. I don't know why I just did it. And here is what it looked like from the back, and this portion has to be cleaned, uh, and this portion is clean, and I just all this white stuff is gonna blow out once I clean the aquarium before filling it and before decorating it. And the reason it's turned around because it's time for the front panel of this side to get installed, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna silicone this in place and then we'll see what happens next. The back panel is in place and there is no bubble in the seam. Okay guys, so I have filled up this aquarium, this side of the aquarium, the non-fighter, non-hot wheel side of the aquarium, and it's not leaking anywhere, not from the bottom, not from the sides, and certainly not to the side of the Hot Wheels. I just installed the side of the beta side of the top today, and it's looking pretty much solid, and I'm just waiting for it to dry. And that's it for part 1 of the video. In the next part I will show you the decorative side of this aquarium. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video or you appreciate what I am building, please like and subscribe, and do make sure to check out my other videos that I have in my on or that I have on my channel. So thank you for watching, and it's an NSP approved pet project, and I'll see you guys when I decorate this genius aquarium.